ChatGPT is a powerful generative AI service that can create natural and engaging conversations on any topic. But what if you want to use ChatGPT to search the web, access up-to-date information, run computations, or use third-party services? That's where ChatGPT plugins come in. ChatGPT plugins are tools designed specifically for language models with safety as a core principle. They help ChatGPT access the web and other sources of information without leaving the chat interface. They also enable ChatGPT to perform tasks and interact with other applications through simple commands. Some of the benefits and features of ChatGPT plugins are: they enhance the accuracy and relevance of ChatGPT's responses by providing it with web results, curated knowledge, real-time data, and computation results. They expand the range of possible use cases for ChatGPT by allowing it to assist users with shopping, travel, education, entertainment, productivity, and more. They improve the user experience by making ChatGPT more interactive, responsive, and helpful. They are easy to use and integrate with ChatGPT. Users can simply enable the plugins they want from the settings menu and follow the documentation to instruct the model how to use each plugin. They are safe and secure. The plugins are vetted by OpenAI and follow strict guidelines to ensure the safety and alignment of ChatGPT. The plugins do not collect any user data or analytics and run locally in the browser. Some examples of ChatGPT plugins are: Web Browser allows ChatGPT to search the web using any search engine and extract web page text from any URL. Code Interpreter allows ChatGPT to run code in various programming languages and display the output. Wolfram allows ChatGPT to access computation, math, curated knowledge, and real-time data through Wolfram Alpha and Wolfram Language. Speak allows ChatGPT to learn how to say anything in another language with Speak, an AI-powered language tutor. Zapier allows ChatGPT to interact with over 5,000 plus apps like Google Sheets, Trello, Gmail, HubSpot, Salesforce, and more. ChatGPT plugins are currently in beta and available for ChatGPT Plus subscribers. OpenAI is gradually rolling out plugins access to users and developers from their waitlist. If you are interested in trying out ChatGPT plugins or building your own plugin for ChatGPT, you can sign up on their website. ChatGPT plugins are a game changer for conversational AI. They make ChatGPT more powerful, versatile, and useful than ever before. With ChatGPT plugins, you can have a conversation with the internet and beyond.